Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to power on your Beats Solo 4. So all you have to do is locate the right ear cap on your Beats Solo 4, and the right ear cap is the one that has a charging port. So this is the right ear cap, and then within the right ear cap you should see this power button. So to power these headphones on, all you have to do is press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds, and that should power on your headphones. So let's just do that. So press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds. So press and hold. And then you should see this light appear, indicating that the headphones have been successfully powered on. So that's basically it on how to power on your Beats Solo 4. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.